Welcome to Guarantee. My name is Eric Conashiro. Thank you for visiting this video here. Today we're going to show you the 2019 30 RLS Chaparral. First thing you notice is the molded front cap on it. Along the sides, on the wall here, full fiberglass wall, all aluminum studs in the walls. This is equipped with Asdale, so there's no wood in the walls. Normally behind this fiberglass you have wood, which is called Luan. You don't have that anymore. You have Asdale, which is a composite. It insulates the fifth wheel a lot better and it's a lot lighter weight. Notice the steps we have on here. Now this is a Lippert step, so you don't have the pull-out steps. Those are a lot nicer steps, a lot lower steps, a lot easier to get in and out. Going inside here, we have two slide outs in the living room. First of all, we'll walk around here. This couch right here turns into a bed, so you got a full-size bed. There is what's called theater seating on the one side, straight across from your TV, so you're looking straight at your TV with a nice fireplace underneath. This has lots of storage in here, so you have lots of pantry space, lots of countertop space, lots of prep area, equipped with a Furrion stovetop, high point microwave. You got more storage in here for more food in your pantry. So if you want a big kitchen, this is it. So lots of kitchen space, lots of storage, lots of room in the living room. You have a nice breakfast bar area, coffee pots, crock pots, whatever you may want to have in here. And again, lots of storage within this fifth wheel. Going up the steps here, all your control panels are located conveniently in the hallway right here where you have everything available to you. The bathroom right here is a walk-through bathroom, which is really nice with the, if we can open it up, with the rounded shower here. Doors slide to the side so you don't have any dripping on the floor. Nice big shower. Now going to the bedroom here, we have a nice queen size bed in here, and this is another slide out in the bedroom, which is your closet space. So a lot more closets in your bedroom. So if you're looking for storage in the bedroom, in the bathroom, and in the living room, this fifth wheel has it. This fifth wheel is equipped with full pass-through storage within it, with dual propane tanks on both sides. Up front we have an auto leveling system on this fifth wheel, so it makes it real convenient to load and unload and hook up and go. So if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to call me. My name is Eric Conashiro with Guarantee RV, 541-912-4396. Thank you.